Ah, chocolate.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Logistic here, and today we're going to be teaching you how to make a brownie. Hey, what's up guys, we're going to be teaching you how to make a brownie in a mug. So we need 1 egg, which I got right there, sugar, I use organic, oil, and then we need...
It's a giant one.
Shut up. And then we need cocoa powder, and what am I forgetting? A tablespoon thingy-majiggy, and then, oh yeah, flour, and then we need a mug, and then we need a microwave, and then that's it. And sorry guys for the I don't know, just RJ's face in the beginning, but whatever. So yeah, we put 1 egg in there, which we already done.
It was sticky.
Oh my, RJ better stop. We need 4 tablespoons of sugar.
Right there.
Okay, yeah. We need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and well, not coconut oil. I use coconut oil, but you can use.
Wow, we already finished this all.
You can use, what's it called? What's it called? Oh, just regular oil. I don't know. Guys, it's alright. It's 1 tablespoon of flour. We're not used to.
Too much.
We accidentally used 2, but I think we took it out enough.
Yeah. It's gone.
Okay,
now.
don't put it in.
Okay.
Now you need 2 tablespoons of coconut. I mean, what? Hershey's cocoa. Put more.
Hershey. You guys like Hershey? I do a lot.
Just put it in there. One more. Since you didn't put that much. Right there. Perfect. And then warm it up. So you warm it up for... Can you open that thing? Oh my god.
Hold up, people.
Just open it. Oh, crap. There we go. And then you want to have it in there for 2 minutes. No? Just leave it for 2. Okay, we'll take it up. 1 minute and 40 seconds, guys. Well, I'm an idiot, but whatever. And then make sure it doesn't overflow, so keep on watching. Guys, it exploded. Oh my god. Oh my god, do not learn from us. Oh my god. Dude, how do we clean it?
I don't know if we need that's all.
No, shh. Oh my god. Just clean it. Oh my god. I thought that we could have made it. I was like, we're all gonna. We did it exactly.
I think we put too much flour.
Oh my god. That thing exploded.
Your mom's gonna get mad at you.
No, she's not gonna know. Shh.
There's still flour.
Oh my god. We need to clean this thing up. Let's take the whole thing.
We need to take that out.
Oh god. Oh my god, hurry up. Dude, watch. What?
It's an egg.
Look
That's
at
an
that.
egg.
Oh,
It's an egg right there.
watch that thing. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god.
Smells like good.
Dude, we gotta clean this. Why am I recording this whole thing? Shut up. Watch this. I watched that. Okay guys, all the ladies out there, you want to get with us, make sure to tell us not to cook, because this will happen. Don't let us cook. Hold on. No. Everybody out there, don't let us cook. Dude, I should have just did a YouTube video. I mean, a Call of Duty video. Those things are easy.
Oh my God, you're putting it in there. It's so good.
Just, you gotta, that's easier. Dude, if only we had it recording, but I had it in, like, time-lapse, like, really fast.
You did? Oh my God. You need to clean with water.
Get water then, I don't know.
I think we put it all over the floor.
Oh my God. Dude, I thought we had it all good. We're over here making, I was gonna put the title, how to make a brownie in a mug, but how not to. No, I'm gonna tell you how not to make a brownie in a mug.
This is bad.
Oh my God. Okay guys, this
My
is,
hand, they're all over my hand.
guys, this is how not to make a brownie in a mug.
Yeah, don't believe YouTubers.
Yeah, don't believe YouTubers. I'm not gonna try this ever again. This is the most epic.
Oh God, there's a lot.
Oh my God. Guys, I'll catch you whenever we're done cleaning this. Peace. Guys, I think we cleaned up everything. We're not gonna
Except
clean.
that one because that's from Hot
Just
Pocket.
leave.
That's a Hot Pocket.
Just leave it. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, we got this.
Yeah, we got this. You got this. I'm out. Don't. Guys, so.
Looks like poop.
Okay, guys, so this is the damage.
But we did clean.
We're good. Let's get out of here. Go. Put up my iPad. Sounds like you just like. Oh my God, dude, this is scary. Oh my God.
it's dark.
Dude, I can't see anything.
Can't see anything too.
What the heck? Okay, guys, I just want to say. Oh wait, there's light. So, guys, I just want to say goodbye. Have a good day.
Have a like.
Yeah, I have. Oh my God, look how much.
Thank you for us. Thank you for making for us.
Okay, guys.
2 likes, please. 2 likes.
Oh.
Yeah, I have pimple, so this is why.
Oh, look at Rocky.
And look at that birdie guy.
Oh no, just leave him. Rocky's cuter.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys.
Alright, guys, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Everybody have a good day. Whatever. Good night.
Good night.
Peace.
Bye bye.